Do you have unwanted or unsolicited messages and you want to move it to your spam folder? Then this video is for you. I will teach you step by step on how you can tag or move your messages as spam on Facebook Messenger. First thing to do is go to your Messenger app, then navigate to the conversation or message that you want to move to spam. I'm just going to choose this one right here. And now, to reveal the menu of options, you have to long press or swipe left, depends on the device or app version. From the menu that appears, select Move to Spam or a similar option. Once you move the conversation or message to spam folder, it will no longer appear in your main inbox. Please note that this method may vary depending on your device and version of the Facebook Messenger app. However, the general process should be similar across most devices. If you do not have this option, then there's still another way to tag the message as spam. What you're going to do is you may want to report it to the Messenger team. To report or tag the message as spam, go to the message that you want to report as spam, click on their name like what I'm doing, then scroll down and tap on the report. And here, you can select the reason why you want to report the message. And since we want to report it as spam, I will tap on the other option and choose spam. By doing this action or by reporting the spam message, you provide valuable feedback to the Messenger team, helping them to improve their platform security and reduce unwanted messages. Comment down below if you have any other questions and I will do my best to help you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.